Hey, what's up? How you doing? This is Martin Carter coming to you from my home here in Texas. Hope this video finds you having a very blessed day. It's been a very long time since I posted on my YouTube channel. I wanted to get back into doing that because video is so powerful. It's such a powerful tool when you're using it in marketing. It gives people a chance to see me. If you're somebody who's considering doing video and maybe you're not doing video in your business, you definitely should be doing video. It's just a matter of you taking the first step. And you may be wondering, what do I talk about in video? Okay, just talk about something that you learned, and then also in the description, which you're going to see, I'm going to share with you two things that will share with me that give you some content ideas and things that you can, reflect upon, think upon, and put together your very first video, or perhaps even, go beyond that. Okay, but for those that don't know me, again, my name is Marvin Carter. I'm an online marketer. I do this part-time, showing people the magic of part-time, that you can actually have a full-time job and have an online marketing business while you work a full-time job. Okay, so I want to share with you 6 things that was shared with me from Diane Hockman. If you don't know who Diane Hockman is in the online marketing world, she's a very powerful trainer, and she specializes in the form of attraction marketing method. Okay, and so that's something that you definitely should be learning. Okay, but I want to cover these 6 things real quick so you can go ahead and watch the video and get back on to doing what you're doing. Okay, so the first thing, you got to make a decision. Pick a space for your business. You got to know whether you're going to, have a fitness business, whether you're going to have a lawn care business, daycare business, whether you're doing hair, whether doing whatever, whether you're a barber, you're washing cars, whatever it is that you do, you got to pick that space. Next, you got to find out who are the top 10 people in that business. Okay. Find the top 10 people in that business. Find their social media accounts. Okay. Generally, they're going to be operating in 1 of 4 places or 1 of 3 places. Okay, they're going to be on YouTube, they're going to be on Facebook, they're going to be on Instagram, they're going to be on Twitter. Now you're even seeing, Snapchat. Okay, and there are even more social media spaces out there. Okay, but I would say start with YouTube because video is so powerful. Okay, so start with YouTube. Find the top 10 people on YouTube in your space. Subscribe to their channel. Okay, that's number one. Next, what we want to do, we want to do some market research. I remember in school, when the teacher would bring up research paper, I would just be like, oh man, research paper. Well, most of the class would be like, oh man, I got to do a research paper. But me, I really didn't mind doing research papers because I like doing the research. But research can be so boring, realistically, but the end result of the research is beautiful when you have that paper. Okay, so next you're going to have to do some research. Go on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, see what kind of content these people are posting. And basically what you want to do, you want to learn from them, see what they're doing, see what the most engaging part of their content is, and then you want to make sure that you are looking to see what are problems in your space and provide solution-based content. Okay, all right, next we want to find out some popular hashtags, because when we do our video, right, so there's going to be a section underneath there where you can put tags, right? So you want to use those same common hashtags that those top 10 kingpins are using to drive engagement and drive traffic to their video. Okay, next, we want to make sure that we are following and friending everyone who are following those 10 kingpins. Okay, so those top 10 people, they've grown their audience, they've grown their channel. Go underneath there, see how you can see who's all subscribing to the channel, and start engaging with some of those other people up underneath there. Because usually, what you're going to find the next up and coming person, and also you're going to also find some really good people that you'll become cool, you become friends with. Okay, in the online marketing space. Now, and the next thing that we want to cover, we want to serve the space, because when you serve the space, eventually what happens is that you get sales. Okay, so you serve the space by creating content, sharing content, and the best form of content is going to be what? Video, right? So you go ahead and learn how to create videos, and your very first one is going to be the most challenging, but you just got to step out there and do it, right? Okay, and the quickest way to actually do it is actually pick up your cell phone and record it. Me, I'm doing this from my laptop, my PC, inside like in one of the bedrooms in my home here in Texas. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's go ahead and recap. Okay, first we want to pick a space for our business, then we want to find the top 10 people, the influencers in that space for that business. Okay, We recommend start on YouTube, and then from YouTube you can move to Facebook, okay, and then from there, start branching out to Instagram, Twitter, and things like that. Uh, Now we want to use to find the popular hashtags and also do some searches to see what is the most engaging content, what their audience is liking, and also finding out problems in that market space and providing solution-based content. Okay, we're going to use the hashtags to help drive traffic. We're going to use the same hashtags that they're going to be using in the space to make sure that we're driving the same type of traffic to our videos to get more views and more engagement to that. And then also we want to make sure we're following people in that space, okay, friending them, sharing their content, liking their content, and uh, and then we want to make sure after that we want to make sure we're serving the space by creating solution-based content, sharing solution-based content, and the best form of content is what? Video, right? So all right, so hopefully you got value up out of this. Again, look in the link description. Look in the description below. You're going to see two links. It's going to give you some ideas, help you get some ideas on creating some videos, and hopefully that will, kind of jumpstart you into, creating more and more videos. Okay. So this is Marvin Carter signing out. Peace. Again, I hope you definitely got value. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the very next video. Okay. Peace.